Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric BlackmonGuitar. In this session, I'm going to show you how I use open chords, moving them up the neck in order to create chord progressions and write songs. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And we'll start with an open A chord. Just like that. I'm strumming from the A string. I'm going to move that chord to a B11 by moving to fret 4 on the guitar. Interesting sound. And at fret 5 I'll have an A minor 7. And at fret 7 I'll have an A flat suspended 4. Now I can play those chords in any order, in any direction, but I've got the same shape and I'm just moving it up and down the neck. Now if I go with a C shape, traditional C chord, right? And I move it 2 frets up the neck, I get a D add 9, add 11. Very cool open sound. Now if I move that up to fret 6, and I'm using my index finger as my fret or position finger, I've got F major 9. Kind of eerie sounding. If I go to a D chord, and I'm strumming that from the D string, move it up to fret 4, and I've got an E7 chord. Alright? That's an E7 inversion. To the 5th fret, I get a D minor 7. And at the 7th fret, I get a G chord. So let's move that one around. So let's go with an E major chord. If we move that up by 1 fret, we get an E suspended flat 6, flat 9, and we get the sound of the Spanish bullfights. Now if we move that index finger up to fret 3, we get an E suspended 2, sharp 11. Now if we move it up to fret 4, we get an E minor 7. If we move it up to fret 6, we get an E major 7, flat 13. So let's play something with that. Now this E chord shape was used in the Who song, I Can See for Miles, and it was played this way. And they moved it all the way up to neck, going to, starting at fret 1, fret 4, fret 6, fret 8, fret 9, fret 11, and fret 13. Next, let's go to an F major 7 shape. We're going to leave that high E open and strum from the D string. Let's go up to fret 3, and that's a G6. And then to fret 5, and we have an A chord. So we got this. Now this is the progression that was used in the Chicago song Beginnings, but they played it in reverse order like this. So they started at the A chord and went, it's only the beginning, only just the start, only the beginning, only just the start. So you can see how this technique can be very useful. Let's go to a G chord. We're going to move this one up to fret 5. And now we have a B flat 6. We'll move it to fret 7. We have a C add 9. We'll move it to fret 9, and we have a D add 11. Now these are the chords that Jack White used when he wrote Love is Selfish. We'll go to a G chord, the C add 9, and then the D add 11. So then G, the B flat 6, and then the C add 9. So here it is. Well, all right. That's all I've got for you in this session. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.